There's a real irony in suggesting that you shut down your computer and start talking to your colleagues as a mechanism of increasing your productivity. But I think that's what we should do. For too long we've relied on technology to provide us with the answer to every question that we possibly ask. Reality is we have no trouble now getting so much information and data and stuff. It's analysing it, understanding it and creating that human interaction with it that actually gives us the greatest value. Now that's not to be achieved by having your computer open and disconnecting from those around you. So today I think that what you should consider is shutting down your laptop and actually getting back to talking with your colleagues and making yourself more productive by having a conversation rather than relying on the technology to provide you with the answers you need. You just might be surprised at how quickly you get a result.